I have straightened my hair incorrectly for way too many years to let you walk around with poorly straightened hair. So on today's video, I'm going to show you my start to finish full straightening routine on Rachel's hair. We've all seen that person who attempts to straighten their curly hair and it just looks bad, like straw. So bestie, we are not going to allow you to walk around like that. Rachel's hair is going to be going from this to this, and throughout the video, I'm going to be telling you all of my tips and tricks for straightening curly hair successfully and with as little damage as possible. So let's hop into it. So Rachel's hair is washed and conditioned. In the shower, I made sure that she used a nice moisturizing shampoo and a nice moisturizing mask. If you need to see more tips about these reasonings why, you should definitely check out my 6 tips for straightening hair. I cover a lot more in depth about like why to use what product in there. So her hair is just like a little bit damp, and I'm gonna add a little bit of a leave-in conditioner to her hair. Not much, but again, the name of the game is moisture. So I'm just gonna rake that in. Now, all of the products I used so far on her hair have been all bonding products. So I used a bonding leave-in conditioner, a bonding shampoo, a bonding mask, and that is all for a reason, because when your hair goes through damage, you really wanna make sure that you are using bond building products so we don't experience any damage. I think that's like one thing that we all regret, because in the past we would just straighten our hair with like whatever the heck we had, or maybe not use any product, and it looked horrible, and then our hair was horrible. So we are learning from our mistakes, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'm just going to brush that through. Now I'm going to go in with the Hero product One Pass Press. This is a heat protection spray by the Doux, and it will make or break your entire routine. What I love about this product is it's also a bond builder, and it's really lightweight, so it's not gonna give your hair like an oily look. And you just wanna spray it on damp hair before you go in with any type of heat tool.
It smells good.
It does smell good.
It smells really good.
You definitely want to make sure that you get the ends, because it's the worst when curly hair ends are like all stringy when you straighten them. Get the front pieces. Basically, this product is designed to make curly hair straightening a lot easier, and it's called One Pass Press because you should allegedly, with this product, only have to go through one time with the straightener, which is a lot and game-changing, because one reason why curly hair gets so damaged when you straighten it is because you're going over and over and over it. So if you're just going over it one time, that's gonna make a big difference. It also has their Duplex formula, which is their bond building formula that's going to help repair your hair and prevent damage as it's in your hair. And the Doux knows what they are doing. So if you have ever been to any type of store that sells hair products, you've probably seen the Doux, and that is for a reason. They are a great brand. They are owned by a Black family and a veteran family, which I think is so cool. And they are on a mission to make sure that we have more successful Black entrepreneurs. This product is also going to polish the cuticle, meaning it's going to leave a nice shiny result. So it's not going to be oily looking, but it's going to be nice and shiny. Literally the second ingredient inside of this product is aloe vera, which is one of the best moisturizing ingredients for both your strands and your scalp, and it does leave a nice shine just by itself. So the next thing I'm going to do is just rough blow dry her hair. It makes a really big difference to rough blow dry before you just go right in with the straightener, and also her hair is wet, so we definitely don't want to do that. So obviously this is going to be on, but I'll show you some clips of sort of what I do to rough blow dry so you can see. So she's all rough and blow dried. It's very much giving Hermione Granger, but trust the process. This is what a flat iron is for. The next thing I'm going to do is actually break her hair into sections. I'm gonna take a boar bristle brush, and I'm going to follow through the boar bristle brush with the straightener. And as you can see, it's nice, easy, one pass. And as I'm straightening, I like to kind of curve the straightener at the end, which will give a nice little kind of like curled look at the end to her hair, so it's not just like Avril Lavigne straight. And then when I'm done one section, I'll clip the other section away just so it doesn't get like mixed up. And take the next section down. Going through, it really is working with one nice little pass through. Look at that, that's so nice. Something else that's making a really big difference here is the fact that I'm using really thin sections. So they're about the same length as the straightener, but they're also just so thin. So like I'm really sectioning off her hair thinly, not necessarily thickly, but thinly. Which just like when there's less hair, kind of like horizontally in the straightener, it's just going to get every strand a lot better. Again, really nice thin sections. I'm officially obsessed with one pass press because I'm telling you, maybe there's been 3 like little go-throughs that I've had to do more than one press throughout her whole head so far, and that's because like these are like didn't do it good enough. So there you have it, my perfectly silky smooth straightening method. It honestly looks so silky, I can't stop touching it. It's such a change up. Thank you to One Pass Press for making this the easiest straightening ever.